Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly how much data you've used and what remains. Once done, open Settings and stop Background App Refresh to prevent surprises. Make sure automatic updates are off, because those can chew gigabytes quietly. Then switch to Wi-Fi and enable the system data saver so apps reduce usage. This immediately slows heavy transfers. These initial actions reduce waste while you prepare the deeper fixes that follow, and they take only a few minutes to implement. You now identify the biggest data consumers by checking the data usage screen. Focus on the top 3 apps first. Once identified, restrict mobile access for non-essential apps and flip them to Wi-Fi only so they only transfer on trusted networks. Next, change sync intervals, set email, photo backup, and social apps to manual or longer intervals to avoid constant uploads. These steps cut ongoing drains. If an app still misbehaves, clear its cache or reinstall to reset background traffic. You finish by monitoring usage for the next 48 to 72 hours to confirm reductions and watch for unexpected spikes. If patterns persist, reset network settings and check for an OS update, because fixes often arrive with system patches. Make sure to document when spikes occur. That helps if you contact your provider to check for carrier-side problems or plan misconfigurations. One key troubleshooting tip: if data spikes continue after these steps, toggle airplane mode briefly and rejoin the network to clear lingering connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.